Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Kelowna local and long distance movers near me. When you choose a cheap West Kelowna moving company, you get the help you need. 3 Movers offers the best local and long distance moving services you can find. Our team will help ensure you get the best experience possible throughout your move. We know how to relocate your family, your business, or even just your furniture. We offer all the right help when you need to handle a long-distance move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We provide you with the best long-distance moving services no matter how far you need to go. Our team of movers will help you get the right services to move faster and easier. Even if you need to go all the way across the country, we can help. With the help of a Canada moving company, you can make a local move easier. It's a lot of work to move, even if you're just going one street over. With local movers, you can avoid the heavy lifting while saving time and energy. 3 Movers offers the streamlined moving process you need. We know how to get you moved down the street or across town faster and easier. If the move would take you 3 days, it will take us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Kelowna moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.